This is the JJRC H32GH micro FPV quadcopter. It's got a 5.8 gigahertz real-time video transmission. There's a little camera on it there. This is the transmitter that comes with it. The transmitter that comes with it does not match what is shown in the directions at all, but more or less it's about the same, so I'll go over how it works. Most of it is self-explanatory. There's a video button to start a video, a button to take a photograph, your one key return, and this button is what launches the quad into the air. This has altitude hold, so this is the button to switch to that. 400 milliamp hour, 3.7 volt, 30C battery. Using the micro lossy connectors, just go ahead and plug that in. This is basically how it sits. Let's fire up the screen. Now there's the FPV view. I'm not going to be using it while I'm doing recording because the video lags while you're recording. So the first flight's just going to be a demonstration of the camera. Alright, so let's turn on the transmitter. And press the function button to fire up the motors. And we're off. I'll start recording now. And we're recording. Very stable flyer. Let's do a couple circles. Those flips, you press this button, wait for the beep. All sorts of flips, front flips, forward flips, back flips. This left button will increase the rates, I think. Pretty good. This is a decent flyer. Let's do the one key return, even though I really don't like to use this. It kind of works all right. Not a fan of one key return. I'll try taking it high now. Oh. If you want to land, you can also press this function switch over button here again that took you up to have the quad just come down by itself. Well, there it is. I'm just going to relaunch. Been recording for about 2 minutes now. Oh, and time. 2 minutes and yeah, about 3 minutes. 2 minutes 45 seconds. So that's what the video's like. Well, this is the default battery before we test out the FPV hooked up to my FatShark DVR. This is a 720 milliamp hour battery, and you could just stick this at the bottom with some Velcro or something like that, plug it right in, and it works just fine. And you got way more flight time than this default 400 milliamp hour battery. You always have to wrap the plug around the bottom like that. There's no way to really put it fully in without jamming the wires up. And as you can see, we're flying with the 750 milliamp hour battery. Link to those is in the description below. It's flying just fine, and you will extend your battery life by about 2 or 3 more minutes with it, even though it's a little heavier. There we go. Alright, now let's check it out with FPV. Alright, so here we are. I've got the Dominator V3 FatShark goggles and the JJRC FPV quad. My monitor is all set up and ready to go, so let's check this out and see how it works. DVR is going to be on now. Function button. Well, this is the FPV experience. I'm just taking it easy right now. I did a flip. Getting a little break up over there. They say it's real time. I'm a little picky. I would definitely say that there is a little bit of frame rate loss. Not a whole lot, but it's there. So I have noticeable lag while flying, but this is still pretty cool. Let me come in close to me. I think the camera looks pretty decent in the sunlight. The colors are decent. There's me. Crazy ground station. This quad itself doesn't have a very long range, so I'm not gonna go crazy with the range. The video is very stable. I'm flying behind me. Let's see if it breaks up a little bit. can't tell if my stick input is lagging a little bit now and then. I don't know how to describe it. It's a strange feeling. Like right there. It just felt like it lagged just a little bit. Alright, I think I'm going to bring it in now. Go in for a landing. Whoa! Oh, it appears the batteries ran out. Well, that's that for that. That's it. That's the JJRC Micro FPV drone. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. And let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, guys.